Hello guys, welcome to the course of Level 8 API Development Tutorial. This is our partner 14. Inside this video, we are going to create an API which will display the information of single data. So if I back to editor, in the last video, we had completed all about our create API as well as list employees API. Now inside this video, we are going to work over single detail API in which we will pass employee ID. By the help of that employee ID, we will fetch only specific employee information. So what I will do, as we know that we have loaded employee model inside last video, so first of all, on the behalf of this employee ID, we need to check that this employee exists or not. If it exists, then we need to return the response, means the details of that employee, otherwise employee not found. So simply what I will do, let's if employee model, we will put where condition, we will check that the ID that we have passed is equals to ID column of table, and we will use the exist method. If the employee exists, then it will return true value, otherwise employee not exist. It means false value. So what I will do, return, let's response, we will use JSON array, and inside that let's say status equals to 0, message, let's say employee, let's make the first letter as capital, so employee not found, and we will return the status code, let's say 404. Now inside this block it means the employee exists. So what I will do, we need to fetch the employee details, so let's say employee detail equals to employee model. We will use where method to check our condition. This is the ID value, and we will use the first method. After that, simply let's return response JSON, passing an array, let's say that status equals to 1, message, let's say employee found, and finally we will add one more parameter, that is data, and inside this we will pass this employee detail. Now if you save all these changes, back to Postman, if I copy this URL, go here, back to api.php, so we are using single employee, means we are calling get single employee method, so we need to copy this route, back to Postman. Instead of list employees, this time we have single hyphen employee, and the method type we need to use called get request type, and we need to pass employee ID into the URL. So back to Postman, so here we have the post type equals to get request type, and if we pass 2, as we can see that inside this 2 we have this employee. So when we pass inside the single employee route 2, click on send button, as we can see that we are getting all about second employee detail. But when we make 2 to 20, it means that this employee ID does not exist into our list. So in that case, if we press send button, as we can see that employee not found, and here look at the status code 404 we are getting. Also we can control our status code what we had written here. So successfully guys, this is the video is only to get a single employee detail. Now in the next video we will discuss over update API. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.